Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the Pinterest app and then make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap where it says Home Feed Turner. Now you'll be able to see all of your recently viewed pins on Pinterest. You can simply scroll down and see everything. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.